You're coming on a journey to the land of the cock, I mean rooster. So it is Denizli destination, 220 kilometers from Antalya. Let's go for a ride. Hey guys, it's Fuzzbuzz, and as I promised, we are going to the land of the cock. And cock I mean rooster. I know you guys were thinking, oh my god, what's he talking about? But the cock, the rooster, it is massive here in Denizli. There's the sign, 180 kilometers to Denizli, and Denizli is the land of the cock. Roosters are famous in Denizli, even their football club. Their football club's nickname and their logo, the football club's logo is a rooster, and they're called the Roosters. And we are on the way. Look at that. My left, my right. As I said, 180 kilometers. It's going to be a bit of a cruise. It's hot. It was very hot in Antalya, 39 degrees. Not expecting it to be that hot in Denizli, but still warm. I don't know what's happening with this climate. Global warming. I think we're really screwing up this planet of ours. We're in September, nearly middle of September, and it's 39 degrees. It's supposed to be autumn. How can autumn be 39 degrees? My god. Anyway, Buzzbuzz can't fix this problem alone. Maybe we all can together. So let's see what this Denizli is like, the land of the cock. They love their roosters down there. Everyone owns a rooster in Denizli, I heard. It's a symbol. Must be their symbol of strength. It's the strength of the cock. I don't like roosters myself. I got chased by one when I was younger, so not my cup of tea. I'm really not interested in roosters. They look scary. I don't like chickens. Chickens look innocent, but roosters, my god. Look at the rolling hills over there. Lovely. Little villages, little townhouses. In Denizli there is Pamukkale, which is one of the top tourist destinations in Turkey. It's a limestone mountain with some natural springs on top. It used to have natural springs on top. I think all the water's run out now, but it still is super popular with tourists, local and abroad. So if you do ever come down this way, do get down to Pamukkale. It's different. I'm sure if you Google it, you can check it out. I've been there once before, and yeah, it's not bad. It's different, as I said. In the middle of nowhere, a big white limestone mountain or hill. It's all full white. Looks like snow actually, and there's some water running down. So yeah, it's different. If you do come out to Denizli way, which most tourists do as for a day trip from Antalya and along the coast, they do get into, there's lots of tours that go out there. So yeah, make sure you see yourself that. I've been to Denizli once before with a friend. They love their meat in Denizli, so a lot of the restaurants have meat as their mains. A lot of they have like kelle, which is the head of the sheep. The whole head, they put it in an oven, a wood fire oven, and you eat the whole head. Brains, eyes and all, tongue, cheeks. It wasn't my sort of cup of tea. I had a little bit of the meat, but couldn't eat the rest of it. It's a small little, well not small really, it's sort of mid-sized city. Look at that. Some beautiful, these actually are little houses that people in Antalya, they put as like weekend getaway houses. So they have a house in Antalya, and for the weekend they get out here and to get away from the heat of Antalya, and also the apartment lifestyle. They come out here, they probably have a little garden, they occupy themselves with for the weekend. Kids get to run around in the yard instead of being locked up in an apartment. There you go. Beautiful. Oh, we're in Korkuteli. Great. We need to turn left from here to Denizli. Elmalı, Çavdır, Fethiye and Denizli. This is the way. This is the way. Here we go. I think it's going to change now. Okay. The land of the cock. Here I come. Roosters, I mean, please. About 120 or 110 kilometers left. The sign will be coming up shortly, I'm sure. I'll be able to tell you exactly. Really nice villages to my right. 110 kilometers. There's the sign. 110. I'll tell you guys a little story about the word cock. I didn't know that the word cock was a rooster. Growing up in Australia, never really heard that term. Not a lot of people use it, so I just didn't know. And then a friend of mine who invited me to his birthday party said, Fuzzy, I got a birthday party and I really want you to come. And I said, yeah, no problem. Just tell me where it is and I'll be there. This is in Melbourne, this where this took place. And he said to me, the place is called Lucky Cock, and it's in the city, on Chapel Street. And I sort of looked at him and I thought, what the hell? A Lucky Cock? What kind of place is that? I said, are you sure, man? This is like a restaurant, bar? He goes, yeah. He goes, it's like a bar, bistro, thingamajig. I go, and you sure the name is Lucky Cock? And he goes, yeah, why you look so shocked for? I said, well, mate, Lucky Cock. I said, who names their place Lucky Cock? And he sort of laughed and giggled at me. And he said, mate, he said, cock means rooster. You don't spell it like the other word. He goes, but it means rooster. Lucky rooster. But they don't write rooster, they write cock. And I looked at him, I thought, okay, cool, man, just learnt a new word, added to the vocabulary. But yeah, that was the story behind that word and how I came about knowing about that word even existed for a rooster. Thanks to my mate and his 18th birthday party at the Lucky Cock on Chapel Street in Melbourne. Don't know if it's still there. It was there about 10 years ago. So yeah, now you guys know the story about how Fuzzbuzz got to know the word cock for rooster. And we are going to the land of the cock, the Turkish cock, I guess, the rooster, the Turkish rooster. And should be, the ride has been pretty good. It's pretty warm. And we are about halfway there already. So we've got another halfway to go. Sit back, enjoy the ride, ladies and gentlemen. Denizli it is, about 15 kilometers or so. It's not far now. We're in the last little stretch to get into Denizli. It's been a nice ride. It's my first time doing this trip on a bike. I've been before in a car, and it's the first time on a bike, and it was good. Not many red lights, double lane all the way, so really good. And I think I can see Denizli, big city, just flashed in front of me over the hills here. And there it is, I can see it. So we're just about there. There it is there. That's nice. There you go, we're here. Promised you guys we're coming to Denizli, and we are on top of Denizli. Denizli, 658,000 people. So nearly 700,000 on the books. Probably a little higher than that, I dare say. And we're in Denizli. There it is there, straight ahead. You can see the city. Fairly big city, my god. Not a bad sized city. I thought it was a bit smaller than that, but it is quite big. Nice gardens here on the right. Hope you guys have enjoyed this trip. It's been a pleasure being your host, your captain, your commentator, the cock capital of Turkey, the rooster capital, Denizli. Have a lovely day, everybody. Signing out from the capital of the roosters in Turkey, Denizli. Adios.
You're the night sky, trying to make me see your stars. But the dark gets so lonely. Now I see violet, I can feel silence. And the dark's all that I see. When your stars have burnt out and your heart makes no sound, I'll find violet in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.